All right, my last video is on Go Noodle. This is free for educators. I know a ton of teachers already probably have this and are familiar with this, but once you log in, you would create your new class and it just has you name it and then it just has you pick your little avatar guy. This is my class from this year. So if you click it and once you go into the application, you can browse under the Discover mode. I always like to go under there's categories, but I always like to go under the channels because we have a handful of ours that are our favorite. I use this for brain breaks, our non-negotiables, and for our building. Say that like brain breaks are obviously they're perfectly fine, but they're to last no more than like 2 to 3 minutes. So quick little snippets of movement and activity for the kids. We are in the classroom in the morning from 8 o'clock until 11:45 when they go to lunch. So there's a lot of time in there where we have to have lots of breaks, and the more movement, the better to get all of their, I say, get your wiggles out. So anyway, it has all these different channels that you can go to. We like to use MooseTube, but what it is though, it's just videos. There are like chant ones you can sing. There are ones that get the kid. There's the flow one, which is like yoga, meditating. Maximo, he does like more stretching also. Tons of different ones. Kids Bop is just Kids Bop, and they get to sing and like dance along however they want. Fresh Start Fitness, I've done this before for indoor recess. It's basically like a legitimate workout that your kids follow along and do when they don't need any equipment for it. It it's actually like it's a workout. So if you do that one, don't think that it's just going to be like, oh, nothing. I mean, my kids do it and they actually like are sweating by the end of it. Zumba, just tons of different ones. Indoor Recess combines a collection of the different videos from all the different channels, compiles them together to create Indoor Recess things for you. So I've done that before for Indoor Recess, but I also just picked my own. Another one my kiddos love is We Love Cuckoo Kangaroo. So we get on this one a lot also. And they're really just guided dance things in their brain breaks. And I love them because they fall into that, for non-negotiables, that time piece of being within that like 2 to 3 minute range. Some of them, obviously, as you can see here, like 3 minutes and 17 seconds. We're not that picky. Like, it's perfectly acceptable. They're all within that range. The indoor recess ones like are longer though, obviously, because it's to cover, they make it for your whole recess time. It's just really easy. It's really cool. Some of them are like academic. My kids really like the Blazer Fresh. It's a little too old for the kindergarten ones, but there are still some on here that they do really well with. And one of the ones that we really like is spaghetti meatball, and it's patterns. So it just or banana meatball. So it just makes it really fun for them to move and still be learning. And there's syllables down here with the clap it out. Like it's just really fun, and it does a good job of meeting different age groups. ISTE standards would be 2A and 2B.